funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
Probably somebody visiting the aquarium.
Well, they're probably a good way away. Good way away.
You're not that far away from it. These supposed to be Lambos? These are Lambos.
See a car you just have to have. How about a
Things I'm usually interested in here are not here currently.
Yeah, they don't have any planes.
They're like models. Plastic airplane models. They're not here.
It's freaking hilarious. I mean, I've got a sweatshirt just like that from when school would sit straight out of Cali. No, that one sits straight out of Cali.
You might have found
Yeah! Okay! Let's go!
So you got the fried artichokes. Can you just do what you did again? Can you do what you did for the YouTube world? You got the fried what?
I got the 5.
Artichoke.
And then you got that amber heart I got.
Yeah, and I had some amber beans that were my grandmother's. Yeah. Got a cheeseburger. You could have got a cheeseburger. Yeah. Oh, they have clam chowder. I could have got that. That would be good.
Oh, hurry it up. She serves it up. Just go in, order it up, and go ahead and see.
It is happy hour right now.
I see a sea lion down there. See him?
No, I don't.
We just dived back under the water.
I believe you though.
Oh, there he is, back over there. We just absolutely killed it in this place, the fish hopper. Their fish and chips are cheap.
More fun than getting in a restaurant.
That is some good stuff. There's nothing better than good fish and chips. I despise myself for getting this. No, it's not coffee, it's hot chocolate. I despise myself for stopping at this place.
Well, we could do it. We could go after
No.
that.
Here, take your earbuds. And the one that was 30,000 words.
He's a crazy guy. And every once in a while, he's like,
What are you doing? You just turned down Spanish Bay Road.
It's all right.
"No, this is 17-mile drive."
It's fine.
Yeah, the sign said to go
Yeah.
this way.
He's
The sign said
fine.
to go this
He's
way, Thor.
right,
Oh.
baby. Look for deer over here. There's lots of deer. You will see deer occasionally.
What about the goat road? I don't think we're gonna go down that one this year. That place with all the goats.
There's a deer. I told you. There's 2 of them. I told you.
They're
Yeah.
about the same size in New Jersey.
Yeah.
Wait there.
Oh, that's so.
You have dinner, you watch the races, and this kind of thing.
Yeah.
Take a bus ride. So we go on this bus, we go over, and it's a dining room, and it's kind of tiered to watch the races.
Yeah.
Telly's box is at the table, like 3 tables away. And people are going over, and you can see them getting really irritated.
Yeah.
Because they didn't care that I did.
Right.
And I'm like, you know what?
17-mile drive, we turn right, right?
I'm looking, and I'm back and forth, but I don't want to. He just looks irritated.
Yeah.
So I finally said, you know,
I'm starting this vlog off at 808. What's up, guys? My name is Ben Does Minecraft. I'm here with the Gamer for Life, who's taking an Instagram. I'm starting this vlog off very late, as you guys will probably tell. This will go up before everything else. So yeah, Gabriel is killing his taste buds in the form of Bean Boozled. Oh wait, what's the the black one is skunk spray or liquor.
This is either Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti.
Wait, is it? Hang on, let me see the box. Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. That does not look like that bean.
It is it, dude. Trust me.
Okay, bottoms up.
I mean, what else could it be?
Bottoms up, Gabriel.
Seriously, tell me. What
Yeah,
else
I know, I know. Anyway, bottoms up.
Tutti Frutti.
Oh, GG.
Wait, your turn.
No. No.
Alright, I'll give you an easy one.
Oh,
first.
is this baby
This is either
berry blue or
berry
toothpaste?
or toothpaste.
Take
I'll give
the-
you an easy
Take
one.
the camera.
I'll go easy on
Going
you.
easy on me. I mean, if it's either way, it's gonna be good because I think they changed the taste of the toothpaste to be good.
They didn't.
That's berry blue.
Scumbag. Take your camera.
That's not bad. I've not gotten any good beans in my.
Number 2.
What's that
lawn
one?
clippings or lime.
Oh God.
Trust me, I've tasted lawn clippings legit.
Yeah.
They taste pretty good. No, I'm serious. One time we were playing Nerf War, dude, I fell down and I got grass in my mouth.
Okay, bottoms up, Gabriel.
Lime.
Lime. Do not give me the canned dog food, please.
You pick.
No. No.
One of these
no
is
more.
either bar for peach and moldy cheese or caramel corn.
I think that's supposed to be moldy cheese or caramel corn, and that's bar for peach. I'm not eating those. No way.
Fine.
I'm not eating any more beans.
No, but
Gabriel.
I did a hard one and an easy one. You've done an easy one. You want to do a hard one.
No! I'm
Yeah.
not doing that.
Do it.
No.
Chicken.
Gabriel, I'm not destroying my taste buds again, especially because we're about to have fried artichokes. Are you serious?
It was on clippings.
It was one clippings. Yeah.
Now you're talking.
Okay then.
I don't know what that was. Anyway.
Delayed effect.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah, please. Here, I can take a couple of those. Thank you.
Here, I'll take
Where's
Okay.
where's the burger?
Yeah, where's
It's coming. Hold
Okay.
on.
Okay, this one is mine.
You're claiming that is yours.
Yeah, of course I am.
You have a good day.
Have a good day.
Really? Motherfucking Harambe.
I wonder if Harambe likes Bay. You got Harambe. Get it? Good?
You son of a bitch.
Harambe.
No. No.
Harambe's Bay.
No.